All owls belong to the order of Strugiformes. Over 100 owls are found around the world. As a rule of thumb, all owls are nocturnal and are especially adapted to be awake and hunt at night. Two exceptions are snowy owls and burrowing owls, which are affected by the unique environments they live in, snow and prairie. Owls are fond of preying on small mammals like rats, rabbits, and hares. The birds are characterized by their large, immovable eyes and have exceptional vision and acute hearing. They are also exceptionally well camouflaged due to their plumage. Owls can swivel their heads for 270 degrees to look around them because they have extra vertebrae in their necks. They need to turn their heads constantly around because their eyes don't move. So they swiftly move their heads from side to side to see things. Their prey does not hear them coming because the air passes silently through their wing feathers as they swoop through the air. The magnificent snowy owl is North America's largest owl, reaching a whopping size of 19 to 25 inches long. These birds can weigh as much as 6.5 pounds, which is quite heavy for an owl, as their bones, bodies, and feathers are usually quite light. The bird's wingspan can be as much as 57.1 inches. The male snowy owl's plumage is snow white, helping it to blend in with its snowy environment of Arctic tundra. It sometimes has indistinct brown dots. The bird has striking yellow eyes, a sharp black beak, and strong black talons. Females are white with barred feathers on their wings and underparts. The owl's favorite prey is the lemming, a mouse-like rodent. In years when lemmings are most plentiful, females lay more eggs, as more food is available to support their chicks. The great gray owl is a formidable-looking bird. It has a distinctive round face with large facial discs decorated with concentric circles of dark gray and light gray plumage. It has yellow eyes and a yellow bill. Its large appearance is due to the extreme denseness of its feathers. The bird lives in coniferous forests and mountains in the far north and northwest of North America. The facial discs of great gray owls are movable. This helps them to pick up sounds from different angles, much like the receiver of a satellite dish. The great horned owl is an impressive-looking bird with piercing yellow eyes, large talons, and tufted feathers on its head. It has barred brown, dark brown, and beige plumage. It is very large at 18 to 24 inches. Its body appears to be quite bulky. The bird is well distributed across North America. It is known for being an excellent nighttime hunter with keen eyesight, good hearing, and silent flight. The birds are primarily nocturnal in their habits. They are known for their distinctively spooky hooting calls. The owl is found on prairies, in forests, deserts, and in suburban areas with large trees. Owls nest in the suburb of Broomfield, Colorado, and on one night we counted no fewer than 9 birds in the suburb. The birds produce 1 to 6 eggs at a time. The barn owl is definitely a firm favorite of mine for several reasons. How can one not immediately love a bird who has a distinct heart-shaped face? Another thing that endears me to these remarkable creatures is their ears. The ears of the barn owl are placed asymmetrically on their skulls. The effect of this ingenious design is that this enhances the stereophonic effect of the owl's hearing. Barn owls are hence able to immediately determine the precise location of their prey. The owls are quite large at 13 to 19 inches long. Their plumage is white and reddish-brown in color. Their eyes are large and dark in color. The barn owl is globally beloved and is widely distributed, living on 6 continents, including North and South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, and Australia. The owl inhabits abandoned buildings, belfries, and, as its name suggests, barns. It is found in diverse habitats of deserts, marshes, and grasslands. Females lay clutches of 3 to 11 eggs, and the young are independent at 3 months. The birds feed on small mammals such as mice and rabbits. The burrowing owl is native to the western plains of North America and also a small portion of southern Florida. It nests in burrows. It can be observed in small colonies. The birds are small and slender and weigh a mere 5 ounces. They are brown with a distinctive white bar over their eyes. Their eyes are large and yellow. Their bellies are barred. They have brown wings with large dots. Burrowing owls are unlike the majority of other owls in that they are mostly active during the day. Females lay clutches of 5 to 11 eggs at a time. The owls consume insects, rodents, and sometimes other birds.